Hi, welcome back. You join me today in the caravan on a grey October day. It's that time of year where we're preparing the caravan for winter. Keep watching for lots of useful tips. If you do feel I've missed something, please put it in the comments below. If you continue using your caravan during winter, then again, please in the comments below, put down exactly what you do to prolong the caravanning season. Give us your tips. Very quickly, before we get going with the video, I just want to thank everybody who's subscribed to the channel so far. If you haven't subscribed, then please do so. It's free. It really helps us grow the channel, and it will help us bring you more caravanning content. So on with the tips, in no particular order. First of all, clean the caravan. Firstly, on the outside, give it a really good clean. The roof, there's lots of products out there that you can use. And don't forget to also wax the caravan to give it that final layer of protection. Clean thoroughly on the inside. Wipe all the surfaces down with an antibacterial spray. Give the caravan a really good vacuum, particularly in the places that you don't vacuum regularly during the season, such as maybe under the seats, things like that. Onto the water system. Drain down your water. Firstly, open up the yellow water tap that's usually located under the seats. That will drain down the tank. Also open up all the taps, the kitchen, bathroom and shower. You could actually use a drain down tool. Check this video out here that I've already done. This drain down tool was one that I made myself for a fraction of the cost, and it's really surprising the amount of water that still comes out of the system. Drain your toilet flush water. Look for the pipe in the same location as to where your toilet cassette is. Undo the plug and remember, have a bucket to capture all the water. While on the subject of the toilet, put some silicone spray around the cassette opening seal or use some olive oil. This will keep it lubricated and stop it sticking. It's also a good idea to leave the flap open inside the toilet to allow fresh air to circulate into the cassette and stop nasty odours being trapped. For the gas system, turn off the valve at the gas bottle. Also put the isolators inside the caravan into the off position. Empty out as much of your personal effects as possible. If you can store cushions and duvets etc. in your home, then do so. If not, then store them in the centre of the caravan. If possible, put them in the vacuum sealed bags to keep them fresh. Remove foodstuffs from the caravan, particularly things like coffee, sugar, salt, tea, etc. Don't forget the half empty box of cereal. Tin cans though are more than likely okay to stay in place. In regards to your caravan blinds, this can be a personal preference, but what I do is to leave the blinds open and close the curtains. That prevents the blinds, the springs from overstretching. Still, on the inside of the caravan, open all cupboard doors, lift up beds, leave the fridge door ajar. Again, ventilation is the key. With the silicone spray again, you can lubricate all doors and window rubber seals, also your locker door seals. While the can is in your hand, give the door cabinet locks a quick spray. On the outside of the van once more, grab a can of WD-40 or another lubricant such as grease and give the steady screws a protective covering. At the A-frame, I have a 13-pin plug and I keep the handy realignment tool in place. This acts as a cap, like a dust cap. I also keep the A-frame cover in place just to give it some winter protection. For your wheels, brakes and tyres, a couple of suggestions. You could jock the wheels and then release the handbrake. This will help stop the brakes from seizing. For the tyres, if space allows, you could move the caravan backwards and forwards just to help relieve some of that pressure on the one area of the tyre. Another option is to jack up the caravan and place it on axle stands. This will get the tyres off the ground. Only do this though if the van is on level ground and you are confident to do so. In regards to the leisure battery, in my case, my caravan is stored at home, so I keep the caravan connected to electric hookup during winter. However, if you're unable to do that, then there's a few options you can do. Solar panels are a really great option for keeping the battery topped up during the winter months. If you haven't got a solar panel, then another option potentially is to take the battery out, take it home, plug it into a trickle charger. So there's quite a lot of stuff there to keep you busy for a while. Please add to the comments any other ideas you may have so that we can all benefit and learn. If you found this video useful, then please give us a like. Please subscribe to ensure that you catch our next video. And until next time, thank you for watching.